Okay students, now we shall discuss about the composition of saliva and its function. Saliva, what is saliva? Saliva is a mucus and enzyme rich fluid secretory product by these three glands. Saliva, today saliva. Saliva is a fluid, main fluid, and it is the main component of the saliva is water. 99.5% water contain water present in the saliva, and only 5.5%, 0.5% part contains different types of enzymes, organic substance and inorganic substance. And the pH, what is the pH? That is the slightly acidic 6.8 pH. Water and other organic and inorganic component. Organic component, main organic component is salivary amylase. This is called the ptyalin. Ptyalin is a salivary amylase. This is called salivary amylase. Main enzyme, that is the carbohydrate digestive enzymes. There is the boiled starch splitting enzymes. First ptyalin, second is salivary lipase. This lipase is very present in very small minute amount and it is secreted from the Ebner's gland. This is secreted from the Ebner's gland. Where Ebner's gland is situated? Ebner's gland is situated below the tongue. And the secretory product of the Ebner's gland is salivary lipase, and this lipase activity is very minimum and they digest some type of fatty substances. Then another component is also present. This is called the kallikrein. What is kallikrein? Kallikrein is an organic substance that activate bradykinin. Bradykinin, another organic compound is activate bradykinin. What is bradykinin? Bradykinin is a vasodilator. It is vasodilator. What do you mean by vasodilator? Vasodilator is a compound which dilate our blood vessels and blood flow increase. As the blood flow increase, more salivary secretion takes place. Kallikrein is the one of the component that stimulate the secretion of different types of gland. Then some amounts of IgA. This is the immunoglobulin. Some sort of immunoglobulin also present. This acts on bacteria and neutralize them. Another bacteriolytic enzymes also present here. This bacteriolytic enzyme is lysozyme. What is lysozyme? Lysozyme is a cell wall splitting enzyme, and the bacterial cell wall degrade by the action of lysozyme, and bacteria dies. Oral hygiene also maintained by this enzyme. Inorganic components, several types of inorganic components also present. That is the ions, several ions, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and different negative charged ions, that is the chloride, phosphate, sulfate, bicarbonate. Some type of others also, other component also by some types of heavy metals also secreted and present in the saliva. We shall discuss about the main structure and function of the ptyalin. What is ptyalin? Ptyalin is an enzyme. This is the main carbohydrate digesting enzymes present in the saliva. No protein digesting enzymes and present here. Some sorts of lipase present. Ptyalin. What is ptyalin? Ptyalin is a protein. It is a protein enzyme. Enzyme is a protein. And enzyme acts as an enzyme. The substrate, boiled starch. Boiled starch. Starch is a main carbohydrate, storage carbohydrate present in our food. There is rice, boiled potato and other grains contain starch. Starch is made by millions of glucose. These glucose are linked by glycosidic bond, each of one with other by alpha 1,4 and alpha 1,6 bond. These structures I shall discuss about in our molecular structure in our macromolecules, biomolecules chapter. The boiled starch. Boiled starch breakdown. Product erythrodextrin. This is the intermediate product after digestion, acrodextrin. Isomaltose, and the total and the resultant product is a mixture of product also produced by the action of ptyalin. This is the isomaltose, maltose and maltotriose. Isomaltose, maltose and maltotriose. This is the partial hydrolysis and partial digestion of the carbohydrate takes place in our mouth. When we eat boiled potato and we masticate it for a few minutes, then we feel a sweet texture. This sweetness arises in our mouth, and this sweetness, this is due to the isomaltose, maltose and maltotriose. And in my lysozyme acts on the bacteria and degrade the cell wall. Second, the third is the IgA. It also maintain the bacterial growth, inhibit the bacterial growth, and kallikrein, that is the vasoactivator compound, and it stimulate the different types of gland so that they secrete different types of enzymes. And what is the main function of the saliva? First function is the digestion of carbohydrate. Digestion of carbohydrate boiled. Second is help swallowing. Third is maintain oral hygiene. This is the main structures, main functions of the saliva.